Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of liable. Responsible by law. Legally answerable. For example, the supplier of goods or services can become liable for breach of contract in a variety of ways. The second definition of liable. Likely to do or to be something. For example, patients were liable to faint if they stood up too suddenly. American pronunciation. Liable. Liable. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Liable. Say. Liable. Liable means responsible by law. Liable. Liable. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. A lower court held the defendants liable for damages. Now, repeat after me. A lower court held the defendants liable for damages. The second practice. The employers were not vicariously liable for his negligence. Now, repeat after me. The employers were not vicariously liable for his negligence.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.